Alright.
Alright, you good?
Buckle up, buckaroo.
I'm buckled, man.
Look at you driving.
I know.
It's nice, eh?
What a day.
What a day. What a car, too.
It's a really nice car.
It is. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Park Mazda. I'm one of your hosts, Aaron Lowe, alongside got my boy Chris R in the driver's seat. We are in the brand new 2022 Mazda3 Sport. This is the GT with the turbocharger and all-wheel drive in the polymetal gray exterior and the red leather interior. Probably one of the nicer combinations of the Mazda3 Sport.
I think when this thing first came out, the only way you could get red was with the polymetal, and that was a big deal.
Was it? Was it the only way?
If I remember correctly, the first time they released the Mazda 3, it was with the red, with the polymetal. That was the only way, and it was like, you know, highly sought after.
I see. Okay, might have to fact check that, but either way, either way, you could only get the red in the Sport, but now you can get the red in the sedan as well.
Yeah.
But one of the key things about the Sport that I do like that remains true to the Sport is the black headliner. You can only get that in the Sport.
Oh, it looks. Only thing this car looks is gorgeous.
It is.
The inside's really nice. The outside looks really nice.
Beautiful, beautiful car. You got the 2.5 liter turbocharged engine.
Yeah, we do.
250 horses, 320 pound-feet of torque, and yeah, that thing's got some get up. Some nice changes for the 2022. There's no premium package anymore. You get a GT, you got everything. You got everything that you could get. The only option for the GT is you get the front-wheel drive with the 6-speed manual, or you get the all-wheel drive with the automatic transmission, and then beyond that is the turbocharger. But you get everything for all of the equipment, all of the nice features, the safety features, the HD 360 camera.
Yeah.
Like, the only thing this thing is missing is basically cooled seats.
I mean, like, yeah, I guess the real one thing that would be nice to have, but like, otherwise it's really stocked up. Really nice car. And I've driven cars that are a similar class, and you don't get as nice of an interior or as nice of a drive.
Handling is very nice.
Yeah, so like right away, handles really well.
Very much so. The Mazdas just, they handle so well. How's it handle?
It's awesome.
All Mazdas handle superb. Yeah, they just handle superb. The handling is just superb. It handles superb. So those features that you get from the premium package that are included now just as a standard GT, you get the 18-inch alloys in a light high luster finish, light gray high luster finish. You get the turbocharger, you get the black wheels.
Yeah.
You get the smart brake support rear, smart brake support crossing, front and rear parking centers, the windshield projected active driving display, the 360 camera, which I mentioned, traffic jam assist, the front wiper de-icer, which is just like, boo, in the wintertime.
It just makes so much sense. Like, you know what I mean? Like, to not have one in Alberta winters.
I know.
Just tears up your windshield.
Yeah. You get the frameless rear view mirror, auto dimming, of course, as well as the driver's side mirror is auto dimming too.
Yeah.
That's beauty.
And they also tilt down.
They do. I love that.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice. You know what they also do, the mirrors, they pair with the memory seat. Color for the Mazda 3 this year, the platinum quartz metallic.
That looks nice. I think it looks way better than what they used to have.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And that replaced the titanium.
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 I think in some countries it would be titanium.
Titanium? Okay. Yeah. Titanium.
Yeah, like the song.
Titanium flash mica. I quite liked that color, but you couldn't get the red interior with it. And with the platinum quartz, again, you can't get the red interior.
Yeah, the red interior only comes in some.
comes in the polymetal, it comes in the machine gray, the sonic silver, you get the jet black, and the snowflake white. And let me tell you, the snowflake white exterior with the black accents and the red
With the
interior,
red?
oh
Yeah.
buddy,
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
that's a hot looking car.
Yeah, no,
So-
I think Mazda has the styling pretty much on point. They make their cars look really good.
Tell me about the drive you're having right now. How's that?
This drive's really good. The steering is tight, responsive.
Throw it into sport mode and give it a nice little give
Let
it.
it go.
Yep.
I'm
Go
gonna,
off the
I'm gonna
line.
race this BMW beside
Race
me.
this BMW. And
Yeah,
we're
he
not
has a
racing.
bit of a head. No,
We can't race.
can I just beat him off the line?
Yes, you can beat him off the line.
Okay.
There we go. Go!
Oh, no contest.
Pin it!
No contest.
You do get thrown into the back a little bit.
A little
It's just
bit,
got
yeah.
that torque, you know.
Jeez.
I like the new HMI Commander for the 7th gen.
It's all better. It's very nice. I mean, whoever has driven the Mazda 3 before knows, like, it's nice to have the fuel efficiency of the car, right? And then you just pair it with all the fun turbo and all-wheel drive. This thing can be an absolute beast in the winter now.
Absolutely, it can.
All the tech features, like this heads-up display, is super nice to have. I know exactly how fast I'm going without ever actually having to look down.
Yep.
Like little subtle things like that.
And it's not distracting for other passengers or anything like that. Like I can't even see it.
You can't see
Right.
it, and you can like literally zone in or zone out at it. Like I'm not. You only notice it unless you want to.
The amount of features that you can get on this car versus a Lexus, if we were to go for, against like the Lexus IS for a comparison, you're getting the same features, maybe not as much horsepower, obviously.
Yeah.
They got the V6 in there, but you're getting the same features and maybe 50 less horsepower. I think they got 295, but for a fraction of the price. Like the cost of a Mazda these days has gone up. Like the Mazda 3 has considerably gone up, that's for sure. But in comparison to other vehicles that aren't even in its class, like it's almost like it's in a class of its own these days.
It totally is, and even just like the warranty is unbeatable, no matter which competitor you look at.
And what is that warranty, Chris R?
Unlimited kilometers, 3 and 5 years, comprehensive and powertrain.
Oh baby, now that is a warranty.
Again, if you want to take this thing out to like the mountains every weekend that you can, don't be scared of the kilometers.
Now, this thing just chews through snow. The handling and the way that this car drives is just fantastic through the snow. You're not going to have any problems with this car.
The way it drives, I keep saying this, it's hard to explain like how nice of a drive this thing is. Like the steering wheel feels really nice in the hand with that G vectoring control. No unnecessary movement of like the wheel. So every time like you steer it, you steer with purpose. Less body roll. Like again, like you like.
Look at this cam, man.
It's high def. It's really nice.
It starts
and the
beeping at
sensors
you?
are super nice. Like to have the sensors on, like when I'm backing up or if I'm pulling forward, there's like maybe like a pole or something kind of close in front of me or a curb in front of me.
And that's the front cam there.
As a front cam, like I can be more confident on like pulling in on tight spaces, knowing like how far that object is to my car. It's just a bit more confident pulling in on tighter zones and.
Right. So the other thing that we forgot to mention was the fact that there is the Mazda Connected Services on all 2022s.
Yep.
Mazda Connected Services are available. Everything is complimentary for 2 years. The services include a remote start, engine start, stop, remote lock and unlock, remote hazard lights. You can check your vehicle status, navigation services, vehicle finder. You can send a ping to your car and to your phone back and forth. Vehicle health report, online updates. You can get notifications for roadside assistance, all that kind of good stuff. So it's definitely a good service to have. You get it for 2 years for free. You're not going to want to give it up after that. So that's how they get you. The ergonomics of the Mazda 3. I'm a tall guy. I'm 6'3".
Yeah.
I fit like a glove in this car.
Yeah.
And yeah, I love it. It's been one of my favorite cars to drive over the last little while. We get a lot of different vehicles coming through here, and I like to test pilot a lot of them.
Yep.
But the Mazda 3, I keep coming back to it. Like anytime I'm like, okay, I'm going to take a new car for a spin. Like I come back to this thing because it's fun. It feels good.
Yeah.
I feel good sitting in it. It's got all the equipment that you want. My only qualm, and it will be my only qualm until they decide to make it, is there's no all-wheel drive manual transmission for the Sport.
For the enthusiast.
And I don't know why they haven't done it. you know, even on a like a build to order basis. They make a manual transmission for the front wheel drive GT.
Yeah.
Why they can't pair that with the all-wheel drive system, I'm not sure. The turbocharger would have nothing to do with that. So
I think you should write a letter.
I've written letters.
Oh, really?
Emails, yeah. Hey, why is there no
Manual all-wheel drive.
manual all-wheel drive? Enter.
I like that. It's passionate.
And they just say, Aaron, get back to work.
Yeah, I mean, other than that, like it's kind of, it just drives really well. And the ergonomics, like you said, like everything is where it should be. You're not reaching anywhere really, and it's just everything's close to your hip or close to the wheel. It's just very simple and perfect.
Just like you, Chris R.
You too, Aaron.
Well, thank you very much, everybody, for watching this video. It has been our pleasure to serve you. We hope to see you very soon. Always stay tuned for more by going to @ParkMazda on all social media outlets, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We've also got our YouTube channel, which you're probably watching this on right now. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. YouTube.com/ParkMazdaAB. Until next time, everybody, it's been our pleasure to serve you.
Thank you.
And that replaced the Titanium.
Oh,
Plus
really?
8.
Yeah, it's +8 right now, it's saying. That's what happened. You're wearing a jacket. It was pretty warm.
Yeah, I don't have a nice collared shirt on.
Doesn't matter, man. You pull up anything.
Appreciate that. You hear that, honey? I can pull off anything.
Anything.
I don't think we're gonna get anything funny for this last time. We might not. We might have to just deal with the fact that we're not funny.